It's just an unboxing for my Rays wheels. Just got these today. Got the other two pair in the car already, ready to go get mounted. So these are for the G025. And this is for a BMW M2 competition specific fitting at 19 by 10, 34 offset in the rear, 19 by 9, 23 offset in the front. Matte gunmetal, and I've been waiting for these wheels 11 months, so just to give you a sneak preview here. And the finish of these wheels in person is just really crazy. It's like a matte look with like a sheen that kind of glows. You can kind of see it there, the way the light hits it. Very cool wheel. So again, probably looking at anywhere from 7 to 12 to 13 months for one of these. About $1,000 a wheel plus. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments.